Hey everybody, it's Shay Walker from All Garage Floors, and today I'm excited to tell you about a product that has been very popular on our website since it was first introduced quite a few years ago. And that product is PS100 by Concrete Sealers USA. If you have a garage floor or workshop and for whatever reason you don't want to apply a coating to your bare concrete, but instead you're looking for a penetrating sealer that, unlike most on the market, actually repels oil and helps reduce oil staining, then this is a product that we highly recommend. Now, before I tell you about the testing we did, why we like it so much, where you can buy it, how it's applied, and so on, please do us a favor. Hit that subscribe button down below so we can update you with new videos as they become available. And let's get started. So to better understand how PS100 works, I want to give a brief refresher on the difference between concrete sealers and coatings. Now, concrete coatings form a topical film forming layer on the surface. In other words, a coating that in most cases prevents water, oils, and other contaminants from physically penetrating that coating to reach the concrete surface below. And coatings in most cases are also considered decorative in nature. Penetrating sealers, such as PS100, do exactly as the name implies. When they're applied to the surface of the concrete, they penetrate that surface to react with the minerals within. Now, this reaction creates a gel-like molecular barrier right at the subsurface that repels water. In other words, it is what we call in the industry as being hydrophobic. Now, there are a few reasons actually why penetrating sealers don't do very well at protecting the concrete from oil and oil stains. And that has to do with the fact that the primary purpose of concrete sealers is to be hydrophobic and repel water and moisture. Water and moisture will do the most physical damage to concrete, particularly in colder climates. If it's allowed to penetrate, it can actually freeze and thaw multiple times and create what we call spalling. That's where you get sheets of the uppermost layer of the concrete delaminates or separates. And lots of times, this water also carries salts and de-icing fluids with it, which will cause pitting and such to the concrete. Now, the best performing concrete sealers generally contain silane or siloxane or a combination of the two. In other words, a hybrid. Now, one of the properties of silane and siloxane is that once they react with the concrete, they still contain active hydrocarbon chains. Now, these active hydrocarbon chains are constantly seeking out oil. In other words, they're what we call oleophilic. Okay, so when oil sits on the surface of the concrete that's been treated with the silane or siloxane and it is allowed to penetrate, it will come in contact with these active hydrocarbon chains, and this reaction creates a permanent stain that is very hard to remove. Now, in addition, oil has a much lower surface tension than water. So if you were to apply oil and water to a surface that's been treated with a penetrating sealer, the water typically will bead or tend to pool together as it's being repelled by the sealer. The oil, on the other hand, isn't affected by it, and the lower surface tension allows it to spread out. It wants to lay flat. It'll even start running downhill if you have a small depression and such. And this lower surface tension actually allows it to penetrate through the concrete surface much easier. In addition, used oil contains trace solvents, some heavy metals, and even fuel residues that helps to punch through that gel-like molecular barrier. So now that we know why they don't do very well against oils, what is it that makes PS100 different? Well, PS100 actually uses 100% fluorinated materials. In other words, it doesn't use any silanes, siloxanes, or siliconates for that matter. And these fluorinated materials contain fluorocarbons. Now, fluorocarbons have non-stick and friction-reducing properties. Think of Teflon, for example. Teflon repels just about everything, and it's also very slippery. Now, when fluorocarbons are used in a sealer, it becomes oil repelling, or what we refer to in the industry as being oleophobic. And in addition to being oleophobic, the fluorinated materials also make it extremely hydrophobic. In other words, moisture repelling or water repelling. So PS100 not only does a good job of repelling oils, it does an excellent job of repelling water and salts. And furthermore, PS100 doesn't contain silanes or siloxanes, so if oil sits long enough to punch through and create a stain, it's much easier to draw that oil out. And as a result, you may not have a stain at all or much more reduced staining compared to a sealer that contains silane or siloxane. So now that you know all that, is PS100 stain proof? Does it completely stop oil staining? No, not at all. As I said earlier, the only thing that's going to stop, or I should say prevent oil staining is a coating. However, what PS100 does is it buys you time to clean that oil up. And the best way to explain it is to think of it as a stain guard or a Scotch guard for your couch or your furniture. We all know how those work. You know, if you spill juice or wine or something on it, it tends to bead up and gives you time to blot the surface and clean it up before it can stain. And PS100 is kind of like the Scotch guard for concrete in terms of oil and such. So that's the best way to explain it. So now that we know how it works, let me talk about some of the features and benefits that you get with this besides the oil repelling properties. PS100 provides superior oil and oil stain repellency. It provides easier cleanup of oil that does stain. It repels other automotive fluids. It provides a reasonable opportunity to clean up spills. It protects against freeze-thaw damage, spalling, road salts, and de-icing fluids. It also protects against efflorescence, mold, and mildew, and offers excellent holdout and stain resistance for oil, grease, dirt buildup, and other contaminants. In other words, it provides a level of protection that is only surpassed by coatings. Now, something else to know about is that there is no change in the visible appearance of the concrete once it has been applied and dries. It retains the same slip resistance as bare untreated concrete. It does not require a densifier treatment first, and it is also UV resistant and low in VOCs, so there are no harmful byproducts. It's less expensive than coatings, and it's easy to apply. And speaking of application, I want to briefly explain the steps required to apply PS100 so you can see how easy it is. And then I want to show you our actual test results. We first tested PS100 and then you'll better understand why we were so impressed and why this is such a popular penetrating sealer for garage floors and workshops. Now, for the actual application, you will need to degrease your concrete surface first, even if it's brand new concrete. This is a very important step. Allow the concrete to dry for at least 24 hours. For the actual application, you're going to use a garden pump-up type sprayer. They're very inexpensive, and you'll want to use one that has a conical spray pattern, not the one that's in the fan pattern. Now, when you apply it, make sure you start in the back corner and allow yourself to be able to escape your space and not get trapped as you're applying it. Now, when you're applying it, you're going to do it in a circular pattern and get the concrete thoroughly wet, but not so wet that it begins to pool. You'll want to have a microfiber mop or even a paint roller handy in case it does begin to pool. If it does, you'll want to spread it out so the concrete absorbs it. Otherwise, you're going to get a white film on the surface that you're going to have to clean off later. Don't apply it in temperatures above 95 degrees or below 40 degrees, and don't apply it in direct sunlight. Now for coverage rates, you can expect anywhere from 300 to 450 square feet for a steel troweled or power troweled surface, depending on the porosity of your concrete. And you can double that for concrete that has been honed or burnished or has a slight polish to it. Concrete Sealers USA has excellent application instructions along with the expected approximate coverage rates right on their website. So now that you know how it's applied and how easy it is, let me show you the testing that we did on PS100. For the test, we applied tape to the concrete to separate our test areas. We basically had two different test areas. PS100 was applied to the areas left of the tape, and the areas on the right were left untreated. And then we waited the 72 hours for the PS100 to achieve its maximum water and oil repellency. Now the first thing we did was apply a large drop of used oil to our first test area on both sides of the tape, and we let it sit for close to 24 hours. We then wiped up the oil with a soft cloth, and as you can see in the images, the area on the left treated with PS100 did not stain, while the area on the right did. That was pretty impressive. We then conducted another test in a second area using other automotive fluids. From left to right are brake fluid, antifreeze coolant, used oil, transmission fluid, and gear oil. Now when we did this test, we were curious and used some oil from an oil recycling container that was contaminated with small amounts of brake fluid, carburetor cleaner, and used brake fluid. And if you look at the images, you can see what the fluids look like 24 hours after they were applied. The difference in how they look after 24 hours is remarkable. You can see that with the exception of the antifreeze coolant, all the fluids stayed in a beaded form on the area that was treated on the left. We wiped up both areas with a soft cloth. The treated area on the left performed well, except for the spot with the contaminated used oil. And despite multiple cleanings, a small stain still remained visible. Now, this was not too surprising, and we had encountered this once before with the same contaminated oil, which discolored a coating we tested it on. The addition of the brake fluid, carburetor cleaner, and brake cleaner to the oil acts as a potent solvent, and it was able to penetrate PS100 more easily compared to standard used oil. Now, fortunately, cars don't leak contaminated oily mixtures like this, and spills of such a concoction are usually cleaned up right away without incident. Regardless, the stain cleaned up much better than anticipated, especially compared to the untreated area. As you can see, the untreated area left very noticeable stains even after multiple cleaning attempts. So now you understand why we were so impressed with this product when it first came out and why it's become so popular. Now, is it perfect? Is it going to completely stop staining of your concrete? No, it's not, and we tried to explain why it's not perfect, but it is so much better than your standard concrete sealer. If you're someone who likes to work on your cars, or you have a fabrication shop and you're spilling oils and things like that, and you're willing to get to those spills in a reasonable amount of time, then this is going to be a great performing product for you. Now, the best place to purchase PS1, really the only place to purchase PS100 is from Concrete Sealers USA, and we have a link right below. Just click on that link. Just to let you know and be upfront, we do make a small commission, but it does not affect the price that you pay for the product. So I want to make that very clear. If you have any questions about PS100, put it in the comment section below. We're very active with our viewing audience, or even better yet, you can contact us on our website. I have that link down below as well, and email us directly. We also have a link for our shop page where we have a variety of products that we highly recommend and where to buy them. So if you're not sure if you want a concrete sealer like this or not, check out our website and our shop page to find out where you can find the best performing products at the best prices. So please do us a favor, hit that subscribe link down below so we can update you with new videos as they become available, and thanks for watching.